Noodles, the Ramen Raider, coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got one from Germany, thanks to Nissin Germany, or Nissin Deutschland. This is Cup Noodles Ginger Chicken Savory Shiitake Soup, and it mentions an Asian blast on there. Asian blast, right about there-ish. Yeah. It's funny because on my phone, I can see it rotating, but there's definitely a delay on it. So, that's okay though. That's alright, that's okay. Let's put some boiling hot water into this thing. There we go. Alright, and we have a very small amount of time. Oh hey, y'all done? Ladies and gentlemen, Mimi. Say hi.
Hi.
How you doing?
Good.
Good. Are you ready for school in a bit?
Yeah.
You got a few minutes for still school. Are you gonna have fun and you gonna be good?
Yeah.
Alright. Well, until then, here is your tabletizing device.
Thank you.
You're welcome, sweetie. Go have fun. Alright, so there we have it. And we've got noodles. Got 3 minutes. So, what is going on? Not much here. I like this. I like the GoPro. Although I feel like I'm like way up in your business now. I don't know. Let me know if you like it. Let me know what you think. The audio is a big question. I've never plugged this thing into my computer and copied files yet. I mean, like, I just got this on Saturday. So, we'll see. And, yeah, anyways. Let's do number... Not this number, but the next number. Yeah, number 173. These are quotes by Momofuku Ando. If you're not familiar with my show, I do a quote of the day from the book Momofuku Ando Speaks. These are quotes from the guy who invented instant noodles back in 1958, founded Nissin Foods, blah, blah, blah. Number 173, be self-reliant. If you cannot stand on your own, you will never be able to help or lead others. Wisdom from the true godfather of instant noodles. People have called me that though. It's kind of weird. I saw that. I wonder if it's gonna do that on other stuff. All of a sudden this weird glitchy thing happens in the middle of the screen. That could just be like, I wonder if I turn on the microwave if it do that a lot. I don't know, but we shall see. And I can't complain because, I mean, wow, this is like so rad, new equipment. But yeah. Oh, I got a new thing coming. It's a, what do they call it? A selfie ring. I'm wondering if that's going to help lighting. And if I can put it right behind this camera here. Oh. Yeah, I know. I only have 10 minutes left before she's got to be in class. It's 12:50, her class is at 1. Luckily, we only need 38 seconds to finish this cooking. And it's doing a good job, it seems. There we go, giving it a little pre-stir action. Alright. Yeah, I wish there was a way to have it in this mode and still be wider, but they said something about how it would like look kind of weird. I don't know. Oh, I saw that get all jerky again too. Huh. We'll see. We'll see if this video is all it's cracked up to be. Or if it's all cracked up. So here's our shiitake ginger chicken cup. Is this like super smooth slow-mo? Is that what's going on here? What we got? Let's give it a try. That's not bad. I'm kind of finding myself looking for the ginger flavor. Let's see if this works at all. Yeah, I'm having trouble figuring. Oh, there we go. We'll try that. I'm trying to learn the angling on this thing, and it's like a bit of a learning curve, but I'll get it. That's good. Alright. Now I gotta really bust my butt here. Magic egg. See, I don't even know if you saw that. Yeah. Goopy yolks. Now we're getting close. A little too close for comfort. So I'm gonna get a rush on it. And there's some chicken. I'm basically doing this because it's a chicken shiitake. I'm doing it like exactly the same as the last one I did, really. So this one doesn't get any fish cake. Why is that? Because I don't have any ready. So, got that. A little bit of sesame, of course. And on this one, I will use shichimi. Alright, time to get some rotato action going, right? Out now. The delay in this is like hateful. I can't tell. There you go. That's what you're getting. Rotate. All right, well, I suppose that's all I got for you for right now, because I've got to get this little girl to a tablet. So, it's been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Like, subscribe, and yeah, cool. Have a good one.